Hello student, I am Dr. Kishore Kumar Singh, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Mahila College, Dalmia Nagar. Today I am going to discuss Cayley-Hamilton theorem, which is in BSc Part 3, Paper 6 in Linear Algebra. Today I am going to discuss Cayley-Hamilton theorem. What is the statement? Statement is every square matrix satisfies the characteristic equation. So, a square matrix you know very well, and what is a characteristic equation? So, first you see that what is a characteristic equation. Characteristic equation definition is that let A be a square matrix of order n. Order n means n rows and n column. Okay, and let I be its unit matrix of order n. It's also be n rows and n column. So corresponding A minus Ix of first degree in X is called characteristic matrix of A, and corresponding determinant form A minus Ix बराबर is equal to 0 is called characteristic equation of A. Now question arises here, what is a Cayley-Hamilton theorem? Cayley-Hamilton theorem says that every square matrix satisfies the characteristic equation. So performing this Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we take an example as A is equal to 2 1 1 3 2 1 1 1 1 is a simply 3 by 3 matrix, 3 rows and 3 column. So its characteristic equation will be determinant A minus 1 I into X, that is 0. Okay, so diagonally we subtract 2 minus X, 2 minus X, 1 minus X is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation of the given matrix A. Okay, now solve this determinant simply. We get, you know already how can solve this determinant, and you get a cubic equation 1 minus 3x plus 5x square minus x is equal to 0. This is equation number 1, which is a characteristic equation of the given matrix A. Okay, so for showing and satisfying the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, in this equation we put x is equal to A. X is equal to A in this given equation, equation number 1. Now in equation number 1 we put x is equal to A, we get 1 minus 3a plus 5a square minus aq is equal to 0. Okay, now question is arises here, we find a square aq. A is already given, so how can you find a square? A square is a into a. This is, you see that in video, a into a, just simply multiplication of two matrix A into A, we get a square in the given matrix 8 5 4 13 8 6 6 4 3. Similarly we can find aq, that is a square into a, already found out a square and simply multiply with the matrix A. We, after calculation, we get aq is equal to like that. This is 35 22 17 56 35 27 and 27 17 and 13. Just after After completing this calculation, we put these values in equation a minus 1 minus 3a plus 5a square minus aq is equal to 0. This is the equivalent of the matrix. We put these values 1 minus 3 and 3a. A means given matrix A, 5 into a square, already a square you already find out. Similarly, minus aq is put the value of aq, that is aq, okay, and simply calculate. We see that all r vanishes, all r becomes 0, which satisfies the characteristic equation. Finally, we say that every square matrix satisfies the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, hence proved. Further, how can we find inverse of the given matrix A? So you have matrix equation, that is characteristic equation, 1 minus 3a plus 5a square minus aq is equal to 0. Simply you multiply both sides by a inverse, okay, you get a inverse I minus 3a into a inverse plus 5a square into a inverse minus aq into a inverse is equal to 0 into a0 is equal to 0. So a inverse minus 3a, like that. So a into a inverse, you know, unit matrix, and this unit matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. All diagonals are unity. So put these values, and after performing we get a minus a inverse is equal to 1 0 0 minus 2 1 0 1 1 1 minus 1. Simply at your home you may practice this, how you can satisfy the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Simply you take a square matrix of order 2, order 3, order 4, 4 rows, 4 columns, and perform, and like this video you can satisfy the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Thanks, student. Next I will discuss the eigenvectors and eigenvalues. Okay.